he finish it? Good gamble by the keeper there. Surely he'll put this one away. Can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. Oh, good penalty. What will he do here? Power or placement? The keeper was never going to get there. Can he keep his composure? Oh, good penalty. So much pressure. The keeper's gone the right way and kept out the shot. Which way is he going to put it? Denied by the keeper. Will the pressure get to him? The goalie comes out on top. One kick away from victory, that's all. And there we have it, so unlucky here. They'll have to wait until next season to try and get their hands on the cup. Great performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named man of the match.